In this tutorial, we will learn how to edit a file in the Plesk File Manager. This tutorial assumes you already know how to log into Plesk. If you don't know, watch another tutorial how to log into Plesk. In the left sidebar of your Plesk account, click on the Files option. On the left side of this interface, there is a list of directories. Click to open the HTTP docs directory. On the right side of each file, there is a menu icon. Go and click on the menu icon of the file you wish to edit. There are different editors available. Click to select any suitable editor. For instance, click on Edit in HTML Editor. Make the required changes in the file, and once it is ready, click OK. Now you know how to edit a file in the File Manager. Thank you for watching.